Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to see how you can download and install Zomato app on your phone. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you want to do is open your app store, or if you're using an Android, you can use Play Store and simply just open the app. And after opening the app, what you're going to do is tap on the search button that you will be able to see on the navigation bar right here in App Store. And after tapping on the search icon, you have to tap on the search bar right on the top and start typing Zomato. So after typing it, now tap on the search button on your keyboard. And like this, you will be able to see this Zomato food delivery and dining. Tap on it. And here you can see the button of get right here. Tap on it in order to download the app. So if you have put any kind of face lock in your app store, the face lock will be required. So simply just double clicking on the power button. Like this, my Face ID has been recognized and now it's ready to be downloaded. Now it's going to take few times in order to get fully downloaded. And just like this, here you can see the download has been completed and the installation has also been completed. All you have to do is now tap on this open button in order to open your Zomato app, just like this. And just like this, you can see your Zomato app has been opened. And that is it. That is how you download and install Zomato app on your phone. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.